Honda Civic. It's a 2023 model, 1.5cc turbo engine, Oriel variant, genuine alloy rims, fine condition of its headlights with fog lamps and the back lights as well, facility of front cam and back cam, multicolors interior with very fine condition of its room. Seats are available in leather stuff. Key of the car, push start, an attractive presentation of its speedometer, entertaining panel with auto transmission, sunroof. So many features in the steering for better ride. To watch full video, link is in the description.